So what's up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be putting installation right here. So this is a how-to video.
Where you at?
I'm at the lodge, which is our deer blind. Right now we're up in the deer blind, but downstairs is where we sleep and stuff. So I'll show you guys that later. And my dad's also helping me. So.
Got the staple gun.
Alright. Where are you at? Staple gun. Where are you at?
Look on the chair.
Oh.
Right there. Oh.
Right there. This is how do you do it. So you kind of line it up and then you just flick it.
Yes. Get this started for you. Here. Put that in. Put your paper on it.
My dad's helping me do this because this is my first time doing this. My dude. Might be a little loud, but alright.
How did you can get? There you go. Mark it right down. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. I still gotta cut the bottom, so give me a little room and then work the other side.
There you go.
You can get it. There you go. You can match mine. Alright, I already cut it.
And my dad's gonna cut it well. I leave him just a bit of a room so then he can do it. So obviously.
That's it. We'll show it to you when we're done.
Yep, so in 3, 2, 1. Today's sponsor is nobody. So yeah, if you guys want to sponsor me, please consider just consider, please. I just need a sponsor actually. So the sponsors today of this video is what to do. All right. So we can't help my dad because he's doing the installation up there. So we're on this video. Bye, guys. Look at that. He has it all done. Every part that you could think of is all done. Everything is done. So yeah, like and subscribe. And I gotta show you guys downstairs. Alright, so we got it all done, guys. My dad got it all done. Well, I went trick-or-treating. Well, trunk-or-treating at Lost Arrow. My dad finished it off. And so first, second story is complete. And he got the roof done. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.